What you cooking, Joy? What you making, Dawn? Are you frying some fish?
Yeah.
Are you making me some French fries? You sure? You are looking beautiful today, Dawn. I think everybody's gonna like your uniform today. Hey, I don't want to smell the donget or the tuyo in the house. Stick with the tuna. Baby, it looks like that tuna is trying to jump out of the frying pan. It's jumping.
It's so big.
That's a jumping tuna.
Daddy.
Can I interview you about your technique of cooking this tuna? So hold on. Right now, I've observed that the tuna appears to be jumping out of the frying pan. Is that a technique that
Yes.
you perfected? Tell us about it. About her technique of cooking this tuna.
Because it's so hard to cook inside it, so we put like that.
But it looks like he's jumping out
Yeah, it's like
of
going
the
to jump.
ocean. But in actuality, he's cut in half.
No, it's not going to jump. After the heat's going inside.
Looks like he's trying to jump out.
No nga.
Okay, which lady's gonna help me over the golf course today?
Si Kari. She said I did.
And why you ladies don't want to go help me with the driving range, putting the
no
balls
food.
on
No
the tee?
food in there.
Oh, so if they had food, you would go?
Yeah, if we have.
Okay, well listen, I forgot to tell you they have a great restaurant.
I know.
They have free Newtown Bowboy if you're the ball girl.
Nah.
Okay, so let's go.
No, I know. I'm there when Kuya said, seriously, they don't have restaurant in here.
That's pretty sad that you ladies won't go set my balls on the tee unless they got food.
I told you, if they have a mango shake in, or buko shake in there, I'm going. You know?
Food is life.
I think all you ladies care about is eating these grapes.
Nami man. Martito.
Good morning, beautiful. I just noticed you look so beautiful making breakfast in here. Wow. Well, Chelsea the steps on winter. Every morning I wake up to these beautiful rays. making breakfast. Oh my goodness, I like the uniform up to date. What you making, baby? Oh, you going for the squid, okay. Y'all see the stress I'm under here? I wake up, come in here, they got squid, vegetables, hot dogs, eggs. Whew. Dressed up like supermodels in here. Man, I'm telling you, y'all see the stress I'm under, what can I do? Hard life, folks. But somebody's got to live it, and I decided it might as well be me. What you cooking for the foreign guy? What you cooking for me?
What?
Huh?
What?
I don't eat squid. I don't want the squid. What are you cooking for me? Yeah, nobody thinks about the foreign dude. Stress I'm under here.
Ay, nako.
Folks, good morning. Good morning. Rolling strong on the Tesla chopper. Got some beautiful ladies on the back. I don't even know who I got back there. I think I got Joy to the World. And I got, I think wife number 2's back there. Maybe one day I might promote you to wife number 1. But you got a lot of work to do, baby. And folks, I'm going to showcase Joy's beauty today with her shirt that she's wearing. My goodness, you are in for a treat. Oh, the cool, you stopped the trike to look at Joy to the World. My goodness. So you're gonna cause a traffic accident with your shirt today, darling. Clark Steak Fest, December 10 to 11, Clark Parade Grounds. I think I'm gonna have to attend that event. All right, folks, I'm at this little roadside fruit stand here. Joy to the World. I'm not sure if I want to go with a watermelon. We got sweet mangoes. Obviously, all the fruits, all the key players here. But I think she's going after some oranges. She is absolutely looking stunning today. Let her pick something out here.
Wow, go back to mine.
80 for the bag.
Yeah.
What, 2?
2.
Yeah, give us 2 bags. I'm just going 2 of these little small bags of oranges here. Give you a wider perspective. Just a little fruit stand, typical fruit stand here in the Philippines. So 80 pesos each on those. Let me dig into my pocket and see if this gentleman's got change for 1,000. And folks, luckily this gentleman here has change for 1,000. And really that's the reason I'm here, because I was down at this other little shop. No change, it's too early in the morning. That's what they'll say, oh, it's too early. Yeah, just look at you. You know, and like, okay, well, I owe you 150, what do you want me to do? Most of the time I'll make them go figure it out, but this morning we couldn't work it out, so I'm down here buying fruit so I can go back and pay my nice lady at the Sorry store. So if you're new to the Philippines, always make sure you carry small bills, because nobody's got change for 1,000, and I'm hoping this dog ain't biting my ankles right now.
He's jealous.
Oh, you jealous? Oh, like a Filipina.
Mia. Here's Mia.
It's like, yeah, my wife jealous of my girlfriend.
This is Marimar.
Marimar?
Marimar's name. She's named Marimar.
Marimar. And she gets jealous when you pet this one.
After pregnant.
Oh yeah? Got 6 babies? You got puppies in the back. Hello mama, can I see your puppies? Can I see your puppies? It's okay? Oh folks, look at the cute puppies. A little mess of puppies there. Look at them. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is 7 or 6?
6.
6 little puppies.
I have another dog.
Oh, that's so cute.
Husky.
Gentleman's got a little husky too. Oh, what a cute dog over there. She's just jealous. All right, baby girl, you ready to ride? Got the oranges? To the chopper. To the chopper. All right, so too cool. Shout out to my new friends here. Puppies are too cute. You know, I wish we could get Forrest G a puppy, but folks, we're too transient, travel too much. Who's gonna take care of the dog if we're at the Conrad or, you know, traveling? It just doesn't fit our lifestyle right now to get the boy a puppy. But I wish we could get him one. Baby, say hello to everybody. Hello. Doesn't she look beautiful today, folks? My goodness. We had a tricycle full of cuyas. There's like 5 cuyas in the trike. They're coming past us. They go to pass us. They looked over, they saw Joy to the World, and they just, whoa, hit the brakes, riding alongside us, taking a look at this beautiful lady. My goodness, she's stopping traffic today.
When I get in, I take a shower, read a book and feel empowered. Smoking on that sour got me counting down the hours, thinking of all the shit that they could do but won't allow us. Then I realized they all some cowards. The world is ours. Me and my brother twin like the towers, and we want it now, never later. No more favors done with all these traitors who be haters on the low. They just hate to see you grow, so I'd rather be alone in my zone, writing poems, cause I'm never on the road. And I'd rather stay at home, and life been moving fast lately, trying to get a grasp, and every day I'm mad lately. Never let it drive me crazy, you do this for my old lady, yeah.
They told us stay quiet, better close your lips. We never thought we'd get our chance to speak. So we just stay grinding, trying to hold our chips, and thank God for our chance to breathe. They told us, stay quiet, better close your lips. We never thought we'd get our chance to speak. So we just stay grinding, trying to hold our chips. And thank God for our chance to breathe. So let us breathe in.
CH change, but a bunch of people feelings. Reaching for the top, and now I ain't got no ceilings. Pour me up a cup or two so it can stop the bleeding. Roll me up a spliff or two, and now I'm hella weeded. Cause I'm feeling like I want it, but I don't know if I need it. Took a few L's, but that undefeated. Same shit, different day, why this so repeated? If we don't talk no more, it's probably cause I felt mistreated. Bad enough I don't hear excuses, trust me you could keep it. Saw it coming from a mile away once I peeped it. Caught up in that drama, mama, I don't get between it. They be trying to turn it on you, damn they really tweaking.
We broke, but we wealthy in ability and hopes fits. No, we only need the brokerage. We only overage, overseeing all the dope killing these cats with they facilities. Flush down the drain, leaning through all 8 lives till that become they centerpiece. Unfold and be a masterpiece at half of all our faculties. We actually dope, you just don't know that half of we